Hi there everyone, Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some things that I have been doing to get better with my seasonal allergies. Actually, it's no longer seasonal allergy. It seems like it's all year round allergies for me now. As the years have gone by, my allergies have gotten worse, and this year by far is probably the worst. And as you know, if you have been following me here on my channel, some of you make comments, and I also have been commenting about my allergies, and it was not fun. However, I have discovered quite a few things to help alleviate allergies, but let me just mention a little bit of the things that we already have been doing in our household. We have been replacing the HVAC filters. You've seen me in the beginning of this video. We close the windows when there's high winds or strong winds, especially on high pollen seasons or high pollen days. And also clean the house. We dust. We also vacuum. We wash the linens, replace our linens regularly. Those are the things to help also prevent allergies. Three things that I have just recently added to the already long list of prevention that we do here in our household that I implement so as to prevent allergies. I am hoping they will help you too. One is a product called Levoit, an antihistamine eye drop. And it so happened that I was talking to my sister-in-law and she mentioned something about that. We were eating out and she said, yeah, she had severe allergies too, but what helped her is the product called Levoit. And I have the photo here on the inset. This at Walmart, and I think of all the places where they sell this, they sell it also at drugstores and even at Amazon. The cheapest that I found is at Walmart. So I'm just showing you the price here. It comes with 2 pieces, or this is a twin pack, and these are small bottles. However, this is really very effective. I tell you, much better than those other eye drops that you can find out there. If you suffer with severe allergies that affect your eyes, that make your eye really teary, and any other eye drops won't work, this is the product for you. The next new thing that I have been doing just recently is using an app called the WebMD Allergy app. It's available for download on your App Store or even Google Store. And all you have to do is search for WebMD Allergy and download the app. This one is free. You can check on your town or your city's level of allergies. Okay, or allergens. For example, the pollens, or they will tell you if it's low, moderate, or high. As an example, I chose Napa, California, which is near to where I live, and it's gonna tell you no alert today, looks good, and currently no mold, and it reports about the mold, the dust, and also it will also tell you about the tree pollens and grass pollens, and as well as ragweed. So it will tell you, the most common allergens causing allergies. So I highly recommend, if you are an allergy sufferer, to download this, and it is going to be helpful, especially during summertime. You want to go out and have a picnic, maybe join folks outdoors. But if you see here on this app that it's not going to be good for you, then you can at least prepare yourself better, or maybe even avoid joining some folks, or even take the necessary precautions so that you can enjoy or have fun. Lastly, the third item that I am going to be implementing in our household is having an air purifier. And this is by Levoit. Just want to be giving you a bit of a disclosure here. They did contact me to choose a product on their site. And just like with my previous product that I have reviewed here, I only choose something that would benefit me and maybe benefit somebody out there that will have similar or same issues as I. So I chose an air purifier because I'm suffering from allergies. So they have sent this to me about a couple of weeks ago, and I have been testing it, and I tell you, that's probably the reason why, and I could almost attest to this, one of the big reasons why my voice has gotten better is because of this air purifier. Because at night, especially when we sleep, we have this on, And usually, allergens, you breathe deeply at night, more deeper than when you are awake in the day. So instead of inhaling those pollens or allergens, this one helped clear up the air. So it came with these two things here. I'm just showing you what it came with, and it's very easy. It's very light. I just opened the back. There's an instruction manual, and there's a filter, charcoal filter, as well as this portion here. And what's good about this one is, like I said, it is easy to replace it. The only thing that I don't like about it is that the HEPA filter and the carbon filter are not washable. Okay, so this, the only biggest issue that I have here is that if you are on a tight budget and you need to replace the carbon filter and the HEPA filter, you would have to pay to replace them. I don't really know how much they run for. I checked on Amazon. I think they're around like $29 for the two. I don't think that's really bad, especially if it's going to help you get better, especially if you're a heavy allergy sufferer. I cannot afford a centralized air purifier like other people have probably installed in their home, and that's gonna cost you thousands and thousands of dollars. But for a small room, it's helpful to have something like this that is portable. And this product is not just an air purifier, it's also a cooler. So I'm just showing you how easy it is to install. So it was packed inside the system. So just make sure if you're buying this that you open that and then remove the plastic packaging. And then when you're inserting it, make sure that the pull-out thingy, like this portion here, is out. Okay, and facing out so that it's easier for you to pull it out. So showing you there, if you lose your manual, you can use the instruction here to replace the air filter. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you hear the sound. It's not that loud. Of course, if you use the highest setting, it will have a little bit of a sound. So this is how it looks like. It's not as bulky as the other air purifiers. This one you can just plug it in next to the socket and then leave it against the wall. And I'm just turning on the power here, and I'll shut up for a bit so you can hear. So that is the lowest fan. I think there are 3 settings, so you will hear how loud it is on the maximum, which isn't that loud. I mean, if you use a stand fan or a desk fan, maybe a stand fan is even much more noisier than this one. It has a sleep timer, speed settings, display settings. There's an auto if you want to put it on auto, and if you want to put it on timer. The only thing, also another negative probably, is that it doesn't have a remote control. But if you put the timer on, you don't really need a remote control. Just set it the way you want it. If you're going to sleep at night with it on, just put the settings to sleep. And so far so good with my review on this one. I am giving it a thumbs up. I am in no way connected or affiliated with this company, and they will not pay me anything in case you decide to buy this. I will be linking down below where you can get this. They sell this at Amazon, and there's no discount coupon, because what you're gonna do if you're interested is, if you want to purchase, they have a Prime Day, which is on the 16th, which is Monday, and that will run all day long, and they have a huge discount on this product. Okay, so again, just want to give you all these tips, and they help me a lot to improve my voice, and those are the 3 things that I am adding to the usual things that I have been doing already, because I'm an allergy sufferer. So especially if you have kids, if you want to use all these 3 things, this will be very beneficial. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please share to anyone who may benefit from it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Please click on the bell next to the subscribe button once you click the subscribe button, so that you will get notified every time I upload a new content. Hope everyone is having a great day. Leave some comments down below. Let me know what you think. Also, since this is a community of sharing, let me know also what you do. Aside from the usual things that I've already mentioned, anything that you're implementing this year, or that I can probably learn from, or I could probably pick up and use as well, so that it can help me more. Talk to you again on my next video. God bless. Bye bye.